Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. Are you a sales manager working in the channel of distribution mode of selling? Yes? Alright. So I'm sure you understand what is market sensing. जैसा कहते हैं कि बिना मेरी अनुमति के मेरे मार्केट में एक परिंदा भी पर नहीं मार सकता. जी हाँ दोस्तों, when we talk about market sensing, it is expected that the sales manager has a complete control not only on his own products but also the competition products vis-a-vis market sensing. Now, what are the parameters that we try and control in market sensing? Because this taken together will tell us about market intelligence. We talk about 4M, we talk about manpower, we talk about material, we talk about money, and we talk about mindset. Yes, if we have a count of these 4M's, we will do an excellent market sensing. In this video today, I want to talk about one of the 4M's, which is called material sensing. Well, I personally believe that in channel or distribution mode of selling, if your market intelligence about the quantity of material available at a given point of time for given SKUs is the topmost intelligence, and you can make it or spoil it if you have this information with you. So how do you track material of competition? Friends, in every city of our country, we have an octroi gate. Of course, these days the octroi naka is not functioning, but we have transporters who have their offices near the octroi gate in every city of the country. And what is required is, we need to get pally with the transporters, with the junior most person working in the transport office, and kind of conduct a setting so that through the employee of the transporter, I can get a photocopy of the delivery challans of all my competitors who bring in goods in the city. I know it sounds a bit off track for you, but just try and understand this. If you are able to do it, understand that you will get the power of market intelligence through your market sensing, which is focused on material sensing. If you have liked this video, go down and click on the subscribe button so that we could be talking sales every week.